3 tiny raccoons arrived at a new home, frightened and unsure of everything around them.
Get your sock.
But they were about to meet someone who would completely change their world. The moment they met Ashlyn, the dog, she simply lay down beside them. She didn't bark or try to control them, she just stayed close. One by one, the raccoons snuggled against her, and from that moment on, they hardly ever left her side. Ashlyn became their protector. Whenever one of them fell behind on their walks, she would stop, look back, and patiently wait for them. As the raccoons grew more confident, their fear disappeared. They started playing, exploring, and following Ashlyn everywhere. But these little raccoons weren't going to stay forever. Their family knew they were wild animals, and the goal was to prepare them for the day they could return to the forest.
I'm right here. Come on. You're good. Let's go.
They taught them how to climb trees, find food, search for insects, and even swim. Ashlyn wasn't just taking care of them, she was teaching them how to become wild again. And until the day they were ready to leave, she would make sure they never felt alone.